I'm going to describe how to integrate an expression using Python. I've created my own function, xExpressionIntegrate, which takes as an argument the expression to integrate. Here it's a string. Its value is x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus sine x. You can also pass in x lower and x upper values if you wish to calculate the definite integral value. Here x lower is 1 and x upper is 2. The function returns integral and its value. The integral has been correctly calculated with a definite integral value of 11.98. If no x lower or x upper are passed in, just none will be returned for the value. You'll need to pip install SymPy. You then import SymPy as sy. You define the function with the x expression as a string, x lower as a float defaulted to none, and x upper as a float defaulted to none. You default the integral value to none. You call symbols to create an x symbol. And you call simplify to convert the string expression into a SymPy expression. You then call integrate, passing in the SymPy expression and the x symbol. This will return the expression integrated with respect to x. If x lower and x upper have been passed in, the definite integral will be calculated by calling integrate again with the SymPy expression as an argument, the symbol x and the x lower and x upper value passed in. This will calculate the definite integral. Finally, you return the expression integrated, converted to a string, and the integral value, which can be none if x lower and x upper are not passed in.